Well, hi everyone, and welcome to this week's webinar. I'm Tony James, and today Hannah and I will be showing you how to trade the Kruger Rand on our platform. Now, you can benefit from this exclusive offer to trade Kruger Rands on the largest and best regulated market. Now, what makes the Kruger Rand account so special is it was originally designed specifically for our South African market because it is in fact a Rand-based account. We have had queries where people want to know, can I trade on the dollar? At this moment in time, the answer to that is no, but we are looking into it. Later on, we'll go through the different trading pairs that we have there. And I'm sure you're going to find this pretty exciting. But keep in mind there are certain limitations, and we'll cover that in more detail as we go on and on with the seminar.
Here is a little bit of a history lesson. The Kruger Rand is a South African gold coin and is considered to be the world's most popular and best known gold coin. The Kruger Rand was minted in 1967 to promote gold as means for individuals to own gold privately.
The gold Kruger Rand is said to be the first gold coin that contained 1 ounce of gold in it. It was even given the status of legal tendership. Thus it enabled the citizens of the United States to buy gold Kruger Rands. Now this was a good thing for them because they were not allowed to buy bullion at that time. The Kruger Rand is considered as a legal currency, but strangely people hardly use it for that purpose. This coin is also known as medal coin and is quite popular among the coin collectors. The coin became so successful that other nations also started minting their own gold coins. Some of the nations were the Canadian Maple Leaf in 1979 and the American Eagle in 1986. The minimum purchase of this coin is 5 ounces. As far as the price of this coin is concerned, it depends on spot price and additional premium per every gold Kruger Rand. The spot price of the gold changes every day, and so is reported. Where can I find the prices? Well, you can go to the newspapers, radio, TV, and even go online.
It is named after former President Paul Kruger, who was known for being a self-proclaimed gold enthusiast. He was the 5th President of the South African Republic and was in office from 1883 to 1990. The Kruger National Park is also named after him. It is really a beautiful thing. Former President Paul Kruger appears on the front of the coin, and a male springbok appears on the back with a date stamp on either side of it. ACM Gold offers the 1 ounce coin that you can trade online. Keep in mind though, we do not buy or sell the physical coin. Remember, we offer you a platform to trade virtually, and in this market you can trade almost anything. We can even trade Tony James on this platform, but of course we're not going to do that because we love him too much, and he is priceless. Kruger Rands are traded in the same way as online gold trading. When you trade Kruger Rands online, you will be buying or selling virtual coins, and as the price increases or decreases, you will be able to profit off of the change in value. Of course, we all want to be profitable more often than not.
The Kruger Rand's coin price is determined by supply and demand within the market. The value is based on the market value of the gold that it is made of. Thus, if the gold price changes in the market, so does the Kruger Rand coin. Because the gold price is denominated in US dollars, the Rand-dollar exchange rate will also influence the coin's price. As the demand for gold increases, the value of the Kruger Rand will also increase.
So why trade Kruger Rands? Kruger Rands are a wise investment against inflation. Gold has a low negative correlation with other asset classes, making it an effective portfolio diversifier. Kruger Rand coins, or gold in general, are a secure asset with high value. Gold serves as a ZAR hedge against the US dollar and protects investors against ZAR depreciation. There are no refining costs, so you don't have to deal with the cost of refining the gold, making the actual coin, because everything you're doing is going to be virtual. There is no need for security of your coin once you have it. Once you have something precious like gold, you obviously want to invest in keeping it secure and protecting it and making sure that you don't lose it easily, that you don't have to deal with that if you're trading virtually. Just think of all the money you will save without having to deal with all these extra costs trading online. I think it's brilliant. And of course, because it's a leveraged product, it is much easier and cheaper to trade it online. In layman's terms, you won't need the entire amount it costs to trade any of the products that you trade on our platforms. You will only need a certain percentage, and then we cover the rest. That's why we're your broker. It is absolutely exciting to be able to trade so many instruments on the platform.
All the instruments in this account are against the South African Rands, and this is what makes it so special and so unique. It was maybe by public demand. Next up we have Platinum, and you can only trade Platinum on the Kruger Rand account, nowhere else on our platform. We then come up to Silver. Silver, very popular for some, not that popular for others, and you can trade Silver on the Kruger Rand as well as our normal MetaTrader 4 platform. Now the US dollar is responsible for a large amount of trading volumes in the forex market. You come to think of it, whether you like it or not, the dollar is the king. The JSE, or Johannesburg Stock Exchange Top 40 Index Future, is next up on our list, something very unique and brand new on our list. And then we get to the Kruger Rand itself. Remember, once again, Kruger Rand, you can only trade online. At no stage do you physically own any of these coins. Now the account is South African Rand based, so all your trading will be in correct South African Rands. You can only trade in standard lots. You're not allowed to have mini lots or micro lots. And there are only 5 instruments available on this account. First of all, the US dollar versus the South African Rand. This is where one standard lot will equal 10,000 and allows you to earn or to lose 1 rand a pip. Next up we have the Silver versus the South African Rand, and here one standard lot equals 100 ounces. Platinum versus South African Rand, our standard lot there will equal 1 ounce. The JSE, your standard lot equals 10 units. And then finally we have our old friend the Kruger Rand, where your standard lot will equal 1 ounce or 1 coin.
Keep your eye out for the spread. Here the spread is 400 pips. Remember, because of the adjustment of the contract size, it will not cost you an arm and a leg to trade these indices, metals, and this exotic forex pair. Let's place a Kruger Rand trade now. Notice the amount you pay, which is the spread, for a standard lot. And there you have it. All the other trading principles are the same. Now you can trade Kruger Rand. If you want a Kruger Rand account, open up a new live account on our .com website and send an email to support@acmgold.co.za and we will adjust it for you. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time.